Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power sunroof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, speed control. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.